Stand up. Run. Very good. B. Very nice. Relax. Just relax. एकदम पाय जवळ घ्या. नॉर्मल. हा पोझिशन एकदम नॉर्मल झाली पाहिजे. Very good. Look left. Turn left. Lean left. Put your right leg over your left leg now. Pull and hold there. 1 इंच अजून खेचा. Very good. Hold there. Hold there. Hold there. Hands up. Perfect. Don't worry. Now right back. Hold right. Lean right. Pull right. Lean right. Stand up. Hold there. Very good. परत हात मागे गेला बघा तुमचा लेफ्ट हात. Hold right. Hold right. Hold right. Hold right. खेचा राईट. खेचा थोडा अजून खेचा. Pull and hold there. Hands up. Now hands up. Now relax. सरळ सरळ यायचं. Good. Come straight. थोडंसं राईट कारण लेफ्टला ड्रिफ्ट होत आहे ना. हलकं फक्त पकडून ठेवा खेचून. Wait. Now full break. Ah, very good.